Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. Right, colours. This one is TLP Glisten, which is an interference teal turquoise. This is TLP Parakeet, very goldy lime, really pretty. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, and it does have a blob of the golden bright gold in it as well, the tube paint. Just because I've got a little bit left in a tub, so I added them together. So it's a sparkly Quinag. This is another TLP. This is Cappuccino. So luscious this is. Look at that. Those are just air bubbles. And Triart Copper. Another air bubble. Another iridescent one, interference one. This is Jo Sonja Turquoise. So they look white, but they dry where you can see the shimmer. Obviously over black you can see them more, as you can see on my black stirring stick, but I love the subtle shimmer of the colour that you get on lighter backgrounds as well. Activator today, it's just two mixed together. It's Pebeo Precious Gold and Atelier Rich Gold. Mixed with Australian Floetrol. Probably 1.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of paint. I've got two canvases. I've got a 12-inch round and a 12 by 16. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use as yet. Hoping to do another minimal style. I'm also going to use some of this Stirling wax white, Boomgel. These are ready to use straight from the bottle. Just give them a shake first and make sure you haven't got any gunk around the top, which I have, so I shall have to get that off. But I won't bore you with that. I'll come back and see you soon. As you can see, I'm using a black pillow today, just your usual house paint, low sheen, satin, eggshell, depending where you are in the world. You buy the one that needs tinted, or sometimes you can buy it black directly off the shelf. In Australia, we can buy certain ones off the shelf, but this one I buy extra bright and just get it tinted to the blackest that they can.
beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.